If you need to customize a course for a particular student, first find the student, go to Students, Manage Students, and let's say it's Hermione that needs her English course customized. Click the radio button next to the course, and up in the options up top, click Customize. From here, you can see that her current course contains 30 hours and 13 minutes of content. There are 38 lessons, uh, comprising 141 activities. From here, you can see all of them, and everything with a green check means it's included in the current course. You can use the filters to filter out activity by activity types. You can see just the instruction, just the assignments, just the quizzes, just the tests, if you would like. So let's say that I need to remove this writing a narrative about overcoming a challenge from Hermione's course. I uncheck it. It has now taken it out of her course structure, and it has reduced the amount of time this course takes by the corresponding amount of time. If I need to go add it back, if I accidentally took it off and I needed to put it back on, I would just click it and the green check reappears. The time is added back into the course. Now if I need to rearrange things in Hermione's course, I can click this grid to the side, and this allows me to change the order of content in the course. When you are done customizing, click Publish Course, and then the student will then see all of the changes that you've made to the course.